It's the artist's responsibility to speak about what's happening in the world. What I love about public art is that it's in the streets. It's in your face, and it knows no limits. I grew up in D.C., and the stories I like to tell are for the people, centered around culture, identity, empowerment, themes that really get the blood pumping. I've got murals all around the city. Each piece reflects the community's energy and vibe. As far as inspiration, sky's the limit. I've done a few trips around the globe, traveling, learning, and sharing with others. It reminds me of my early roots in graffiti and brings me back to the reason why I do what I do. There's so many stories to tell, and I have a lot to say. Art belongs in the streets. It makes the world a richer place.